Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power, fresh batteries in the universal remote, and the AC unit powered on. Once done, place the remote within 3 to 5 feet of the unit so signals reach reliably. Next, find the remote's brand code list or the automatic search button. The code method is faster, but search mode works when codes are unknown. You do this because a correct signal match ensures the AC receives the right command. Skipping these steps wastes time with wrong codes. Now you program the remote. If you have a brand code, enter it and press set or enter, then test power and mode. If codes fail, use auto search. Hold the search or program button while pointing at the AC and wait for the unit to react, then press OK to lock the code. Make sure to cycle mode, temperature, and fan functions to confirm full control. This detailed verification prevents partial programming where only power works but other features do not. Finish by saving the working code in the remote's memory so settings persist. Follow the remote save sequence exactly. If the AC didn't respond, move closer, 1 to 2 feet, and repeat the search or try adjacent brand codes because similar protocols can match. If problems continue, reset the remote and power cycle the air conditioner to clear transient states. One key troubleshooting tip: if only some buttons work, rerun the search. Partial matches mean you locked an incomplete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.